we've been working very closely with the private sector COVID-19 Trust Fund, and the Trust Fund has also made a contribution towards the completion of the project, and I'm extremely impressed with what I have seen. Looking at what they have, the facilities they have, the way it's been laid out for total safety of the medical staff, total safety of the patients, total safety of the public. It looks very comfortable, it looks very clean, and it's easier to clean the way they've done it. There are no stairs to be climbed. Everything is on the same level. It's a very well thought out, very humane installation that has been built. And the beauty of it is that most of the inputs for the building and most of all the skills that were put into making this possible, all that is Ghanaian. And I think that going forward, we should have more of these, because we have the professionals who are more than capable of doing this sort of work. In a way, COVID-19 has come to teach us a lot, and a lot of positive things will also be coming out of it.